I-ready ang buzzer na yan. I-ready ang buzzer na ng mata sa bola. Wala na po tayo ng LRC sa parang time out ng bilis sa ating 5.0 seconds na laro. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 28. Foul to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, second personal foul. And team penalty. Jersey number 28. His try is no good. Second try for jersey number 28. There is the foul. Who's calling that? Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, third personal foul and team penalty. Jersey number 8. Is good. Second, last for jersey number 8. Is good. Time out, please. Time remaining. 2.9 seconds to play. Score po natin 87-7. Bali-baga na lang ng bola yan. Bali-baga na lang ng bola. They need to shoot 3 points. Sure 3 points. To make the score tied up to 18. If they will make the score tied to 18, we will have it final. Again, 2.9 seconds to play. Ball of this, jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22 pass to jersey number 14. And of our senior division Bliss versus Always. Congratulations, 13 Always for winning the game. Score for natin 80.
Kasi bukas.
Our last player for Always is more than jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 for Always. Ipapicture po tayo kay SK. Thank you po.
Salamat.
See you to taong bukas.
10 million K.
Ayun. Shout out.
Picture daw po. Picture daw po. Hey! Hey! Hey!